Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable object eraser on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search Google Photos. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, just tap on Allow All. Now just tap on Get Started and tap on Allow. From here, just tap on the X icon at the upper left corner on the display. Now from here, just select an image on which you want to use Object Eraser. Just like that. From here, just tap on Edit. Now just swipe to the left side and tap on Tools. From here, just tap on Magic Eraser. Now just tap on Install. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now just swipe over the object which you want to erase. Just like that. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to erase the object from the image. Just like that. Now as you can see, it is not perfect. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with the result, just tap on Done. Now just tap on Save as Copy. And this is how you can enable Object Eraser on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.